Hello friends, brought in for repair VR HT-D905V speaker. The reason is the following. Overheats and turns off when listening to it at maximum volume. When listening at 50% power, there are no problems. You can now see the name of the speaker on your screen. Perhaps you should replace the thermal paste on the power transistors. So, friends, I replaced the thermal paste on the power transistors. I also soldered all the suspicious places with bad soldering, and there were quite a lot of them. And I also installed an active cooling cooler. Now the two boards will be blown by an airflow. I connected the cooler via a diode bridge to one of the transformer terminals. At the transformer output we have 12 volts, which is exactly what is needed for the fan's consumption. I repeat that I made these 12 volts from alternating voltage into constant voltage by passing the current through the diode bridge. At this point, I think the repair can be completed. All that remains is to assemble the speaker and give it for inspection. I am editing this video after 3 months, so I can say that this method helped to eliminate the problem. I hope the video was useful. Don't forget to like it and good luck with your repairs.